Welcome. And on this kettlebell exercise, we're going to be working iso connect across the shoulder to the core, to the chest muscle here. So we're going to go ahead, take our kettlebell, and we're going to do a chest fly. So we're going ahead and lifting those hips up. Okay, bring that kettlebell up over the shoulder, and then nice and smooth out, 2, 3 to the side, up, 2, 3 back over the shoulder, down, 2, 3 to the side, up, 2, 3 over the shoulder. Nice and strong. We're just holding the hip positioning, keeping that reverse plank locked in with the hips, and then steadily just iso connecting that arm, and we're trying to find that muscle so that the arm moves directly in from the chest-shoulder connection, and we should feel equal amount of work right across from the shoulder to the chest, but we don't want to put any more weight out on the arm, so we don't want to overuse our arm. Our arm is doing, remember, about 40% of the work, and our chest-shoulder connection is doing 60% of the work. Here we go on the last 3. Good. Out, strong, 2, 3, breathing in. Out, 2, 3, exhaling out. Inhale, 2, 3, keeping the neck neutral. Exhale. Good. Now we'll bring that kettlebell down. We're going to switch it over. Okay. We're going to again keep the hips elevated into that reverse plank. Arm starts straight over the shoulder, and then out. Breathing in, 2, 3, and back up, 2, 3. Out, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. And as we're moving along, remember, you can do this exercise with the kettlebell that you have. You can also just use your lightweight, a dumbbell. Okay, you can do a variety of movement, but we need a little bit of resistance to get the muscle fibers to engage the fast twitch muscle fibers so that we burn some sugar. So sugar stored in that muscle, we want to open those doors up and get that sugar down lower, keep our blood sugar leveled out throughout the next couple days as the muscle replenishes that blood sugar. There we go, last 3 now, holding that good solid hip positioning. 2, 3, breathing in, up, 2, 3, exhale, in, 2, 3, exhale, 2, 3, bring it straight up, out, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, and tighten, good, and down. Nice job on that exercise with the kettlebell, and we'll go on to the next one to make sure we get all of our kettlebell training in and connect those muscles and make sure they are getting the right percentage of repetitions with the proper muscle pattern, and getting them to get equalized, and then increasing the strength of them all the way through to that next level. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you.